Online teaching is something many institutions are contemplating. But do the Indians have the bandwidth for online learning? Well, with students facing problems like inadequate internet penetration, lack of proper study room, and lack of social cohesion, the answer to this question is self explanatory. Furthermore, an online survey which was recently conducted by an organization showed that while children face issues in accessing education digitally, teachers face issues in delivering education through digital mediums. A staggering 84% of teachers reported facing challenges in delivering education digitally, with close to half the teachers facing issues related to the internet, both signal and data expenses. Another study was conducted in 2019-20. It is estimated that only about 25% of Indian households have an internet facility, and the number drops to 15% in the rural households. Online education faces various serious issues such as access, devices, content, curation, teachers, training, testing, exams, grades, funding, facilities, salaries, parents, and fees. Nevertheless, attending classes online without a break is said to be causing problems like dry eye syndrome, burning sensation of eyes, and ear problems, a recent study shared by B. Madhugopal. Despite initiatives from central and state governments, there has not been enough expenditure on improving the digital infrastructure for remote learning. In fact, in 2020-21, the Ministry of Human Resource Development budget for digital e-learning was reduced to 469 crores from 604 crores in 2019-20. Teachers and school administrators have been advised to continue communication with students through virtual lectures or portals like massive open online courses. However, in the absence of physical classrooms and proper digital infrastructure, both teachers and students are facing unprecedented challenges such as lack of proper study room, inadequate internet penetration, slow or absence of proper internet connection. Digital education should not be about videos of lectures and activities, but an appropriate platform for technology, tools, interactivity, curation, content, and a lot more. Lack of social cohesion may not be supplemented by online education. Inadequate teacher training for the digital world. Another challenge is to keep thousands of children out of school when their parents return to their workspaces post lockdown. Who will assume responsibility for a child's safety? And learning at home remains a huge problem. Digital India, an initiative taken by the Government of India to make the nation more technologically advanced, has improved the conditions of many sectors, including agriculture, business, space, and AI. However, it has unfortunately failed to bring about as many reforms in the field of education, which is currently the most important area of development in today's scenario. Thank you.
Is it possible to build a strong house without building a strong foundation? Or is it possible to knead a dough without water? Similarly, is it possible to educate the Indian youth during this pandemic with present technological accessibilities? For hundreds and millions of young in India, education is about discipline, development, curiosity, creativity, and a path to break the cycle of ignorance and poverty, leading to employment and prosperity. Nevertheless, it is at crisis at the moment due to the increasing number of COVID 19 cases. Desperate times call for intense effort. Online education allows for learning something beyond the norms. With the emergence and the spread of COVID 19 in India, online education has trickled down to its most basic level schools and colleges. When asked about their experience with online teaching, a student from a college in Bengaluru said, online option is a need in this pandemic situation. It has brought education to us without us going anywhere. And it is more flexible. Probably students are finding it a welcome change from strict schedule and long distance commute to attend the classes. This unplanned and sudden shift with no training, insufficient bandwidth, and lack of facilities to attend the online classes felt by the students highlighted the digital divide in the country. While e learning emerged as the biggest savior in the wake of closure of educational institutions, it has come with its own set of challenges. However, as we move towards the new normal of online learning, national education policy lays a special focus on developing digital infrastructure. The creation of virtual labs will give students a remote access to hands on experiment based learning. Digital technology such as virtual field trips, use of AR VR in experiments, or online classes reflects that the policy lay a strong focus on experimental learning. Various online resources, training programs, and schemes have been developed by the Government of India for students, teachers, and educational institutions. The teaching community has come together to form a nationwide, informal, and voluntary network of teachers called the Discussion Forum of Online Teaching to discuss different aspects of online teaching and create repositories of essential resources. Online programs allow people of wide age group to learn at their own pace, without inhibition and without compromising on their other responsibilities. Thank you.